Look at this payoff, y'all. $200,747. We sold it for $289,900 with a note. We got $89,900. Did this make sense? What I just showed you?
Yeah, it made sense.
What's that make you think about, real quick, man? Seeing that versus what your situation is.
Man, it makes me think about the people. Yeah, the people that I'm renting to. You know, like because I remember talking to them and they you know they want to be homeowners. You know what I mean?
Boom. I was just gonna say that. I'm going to show you something here. This is what we do on our exit strategy, y'all. Okay. Now, this was the first house, guys. We own this house. This is in Florida. I think I might have showed you guys the deed and shit the other day, maybe, or that was a different property. But anyway, this house was built, I think in 2020. It was in foreclosure. This is the first house that I ever paid any money out of my own pocket for. So I paid $23,500 to reinstate it, to catch up the back payments and stop the auction. Now, once we did that, we had ownership of it. Now check it out. The ARV on this thing is $289,648. We didn't do any work to this place. Nothing, literally nothing. Didn't put appliances in it or anything. The comps were $284. We sold it on a lease option, rent to own, for $289,900. $289,900 is what we sold it for. Now there's some more. Yeah, there's the rest of the numbers. So I wanted Kenneth to see this. So our monthly rent to own payment is $23.85 a month. This is what our lease option rent to own client pays us each month. So our monthly cash flow is $1,168.80 each month. That's what we make net over and above our expenses. So in addition to that though, so the annual net on that is $14,025.60. That's one property. The down payment we got, as opposed to, in contrast to a deposit, right? That deposit, you're just getting what, the first month's rent, maybe first and last month's rent or some shit. I don't even know. It's not enough for me. We got a down payment of $10,000. All right. Now, I don't want to get too sophisticated here, y'all, but I didn't get the whole $10,000. I got $8,000 cash on the down payment, and then I created a promissory note, a $2,000 promissory note, and I gave them payment arrangements on the other $2,000 of that down payment. So they're going to be paying me, matter of fact, half of that. They're going to be paying me half of that in about another month or so. I got to go look at the damn promissory note for that other $2,000 so we can get real creative. That was a credit. As soon as I created that promissory note, that's money they owe me. Boom. So $8,000 cash. We're cash flowing $1,168 a month. Now here is our monthly mortgage payment, $1,216. Bianca just paid that today, actually. Interest rate 3.25%. Look at this payoff, y'all. $200,747. We sold it for $289,900 with a note. We got $89,900. I mean, in equity with $1,168 a month. Now here's the other good part about it. Look, this is them. This is the family providing an opportunity at affordable home ownership, just like Kenneth just said. The people that he rents to are good people. These people are good people. The husband had made a mistake not too distant past, and I mean, life happens to all of us, and we don't take that into consideration. We verify their income, we verify their liabilities each month, and then we determine how much they can afford a month. And we give them the opportunity, again, at affordable home ownership. And Jessie, her name's Yesenia, she thought that, and so did Ray, they didn't think that they would ever own a home, ever. And so they love it. They're doing quite well. But these are some of our numbers. So we got to do right by them while doing good for us and our families. So I just went into all that, Kenneth, man, because I like you, dog. First off, man, I see you, man. You're pretty smooth. But secondly, just because there is a better way. So I hope that, you know, you see that. Did this make sense, what I just showed you?
Yeah, it made sense. Yeah, appreciate it.
All right. What's that make you think about, real quick, man? Seeing that versus what your situation is.
Man, it makes me think about the people, the people that I'm renting to, you know, like, because I remember talking to them and they, you know, they want to be homeowners. You know what I mean?
Boom. I was just going to say that.
Yeah,
dude.
exactly.